Hello, welcome to the Zen Den. Welcome to our recharge moment. My name is Nash. Now, last week we were speaking about a concept called feed the dog. If you haven't gone and listened to that or watched that or heard it, please go and check it out. It's really, really cool. It's a great concept. So I thought we'd stay within the theme of relationships. And one of the ways in which we can build relationships is through something called ACR, or Active Constructive Responding. So this is really to be mindful of how we respond to people, specifically when people give us good news. Now, remember the definition of good news is on them, not on you. In other words, when they think that it's worth sharing, when they think that it's good news worth sharing, then it's good news, right? And we've got to be very clear on the way in which we react to that good news has power to either build the relationship or destroy the relationship. So I want you to imagine that X comes to you and gives you good news. Now, there are ways of which responding, which could possibly be to dismiss the good news, possibly be to diminish the good news, possibly mean to ignore the good news, possibly mean to replace the good news with your good news. All of those are negative ways to respond to good news. Active constructive responding is to ask questions about the good news, to get excited with them about the good news, to really pay it and say to them, you know what, this is really cool. This is really exciting. Tell me more. I want to hear more. Really find yourself asking questions about it. So, for example, if they come to you and say to you, hey, my wife graduated, you really want to go, oh my gosh, what did they graduate in? How long have they been studying? This is really fantastic. What is she going to do afterwards, etc., etc., etc. So you want to just be involved and actively respond. Really lift the conversation up and move it to a space where they feel like you're really interested in their good news. And even if you have to fake it, right, it's going to grow the relationship. So I'm going to encourage you to try to actively, constructively respond to people's good news. This is going to build your relationship, build those bridges. It's going to make people feel like you are interested in them. You're the kind of person that they can share with. You're the kind of person that they like to be friends with. This is going to help your mental wellness because we need connections. We need people around us to be happier, healthier, less depressed, and less anxious. So ACRs, active, constructive responding. Be mindful of how you respond to other people when they give you good news. Okay, try it this week. Have a look and see if it works for you. Good luck. See you soon. Bye-bye.